Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale on your MacBook Air. The only way to enjoy this popular mobile game on your Mac is by utilizing an Android emulator. Since Clash Royale is not natively supported on Mac OS, an emulator creates a virtual Android environment on your computer, allowing you to download and play the game just as you would on a smartphone or tablet. This method ensures you can access all game features and updates. To begin, you'll need to select and install a reliable Android emulator. BlueStacks is an excellent choice, known for its performance and compatibility with Mac OS. Navigate to the official BlueStacks website and download the installer. Once downloaded, open the file and follow the straightforward installation prompts. You may need to grant system permissions during this process, which is a standard security measure for new applications on your Mac. This step sets up the virtual Android device. With BlueStacks successfully installed, launch the application from your Applications folder. Inside the emulator, you will find the familiar Google Play Store icon. Click on it and sign in using your existing Google account or create a new one if you prefer. Once logged in, use the search bar to find Clash Royale. Select the game from the search results and click Install to download it onto your virtual Android device. This process is identical to installing an app on your phone. Before diving into battle, consider optimizing your emulator settings. You can often allocate more RAM or CPU cores to BlueStacks for smoother gameplay, especially on a powerful MacBook Air. Remember to connect your Supercell ID within Clash Royale to ensure your progress is saved and accessible across all your devices. Finally, explore BlueStacks keyboard mapping features to customize controls, giving you a precise and comfortable way to manage your troops and spells. Now, you are ready to enjoy Clash Royale on your Mac.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.